Dang. You're gonna have my shit on your bin, bro. When never luck yet. The guy could not get. What? Surfy? What? Hey, hey, come. You not. What? What is that? The bunny rabbits. Get going. Okay? Wait, I'm coming. That's small.
Oh, you got me right there.
First whole night. Start your first win the whole night. Till the morning, bro.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can
Survive there. Valia number 1. Oh fuck. Still smoking, Guido. Fuck. We gotta have like 5-minute break, damn it. We just won. The hell?
Nah, bro. We don't do that, bro.
What the frick?
You heard that?
You stupid, bro. What? Whoa. Chill out, Rambo sliding all around the place.
Watch this, bro.
Let's go for a Lodi on top, please.
Yeah. Around 9,000.
Oh, what you doing with all that shit, bro?
Load out. Move. Bro.
Drop some, bro.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, you was lagging, bro.
Nah, bro. I just waited on the stairs for you. Nigga, drop your money, bro.
Stop fucking around, dude. Don't go on now. Now I'm gonna be dead waiting for you guys.
Bro, you know when you hide, bro, the enemies can see your gun, bro. It's long as shit, bro. Freaking J Crowd. Fetch. It's over there.
You know, some people shooting right next to me. I can hear it.
Hold on, let's get the load off.
White,
Oh,
we got it already.
Bro.
Oh, yeah,
Downstairs,
they're
bro.
downstairs.
Downstairs.
Yeah. Yeah, get ready now.
Hold on.
Squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Motherfucker right here, bro.
Fuck, I was camping in there.
Damn! Hey, stop
What
you
doing
now.
in there, bro? That's crazy, bro.
That's fucked up.
Weapons free.
What? Wait, I just died, okay?
Yeah.
Go buy another stem. Not stem, a fucking the kind, bro. Over here, bro.
Oh,
The kinda.
You would
You
do
talking
that
about the
shit, bro.
kinda?
Buy 2 of them. I'm coming.
What you talking about? The kinda?
Buy 2 of that bad boy.
Hey, the kinda, right?
The kind, bro. Yes, sir. Save that one, bro.
I need a steam instead
not a
of
UAV.
fucking. Oh gosh.
Huh?
A UAV.
What is that?
What is that? It's crazy, bro.
Oh.
What you mean? What is that?
Fucking guy.
What is that? You forget there's UAV in this shit. Tito, I love it.
No, this fucker, bro. I thought he bought UAV.
You just
Yeah, bro. Bought
Got a
one.
stupid ass fucking missile. Look,
no.
no kills.
I thought he bought it. No, he
That's
bought
what this
it.
free loadout, bro.
Yeah, we got our free loadout. People scared. They know we just won. Oh. You guys know we just won the last match, so that's why you run away, right? Yeah, that's why they run away from us, bro. I'm just gonna go over there and see why they ran away.
We'll ask him why and come back.
Yep, let me ask this fool, bro.
Hey, J-Cos, we're gonna go ask him and come back, bro.
Wait, let me ask, bro. Hey, bro, fool, why you fucking hide over there? What the fuck? Yo, Cam steal my shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, turn out
Hey,
on
bro.
landing.
Okay, took it, Cam. I got another one.
Nice.
Different one.
Right there on the roof. Just landed.
Yeah, he's gonna die
On top of
anyways.
us. I'm going up.
He got a good gun, bro.
He's low, bro. I was catching him.
Alright, pick me up then. I hear somebody. Yeah.
Hey. Damn. How fucking go finish me that guy?
Yo, you thought you gonna run away, huh?
Watch
All
out, bro.
that crappy daddy. You fucked up.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
I need cover me.
Reinforcements inbound.
Just still trying to land.
Oh, where I from? Hey, boy,
On the
let me
roof
help.
somewhere.
Cover. He's coming to me. Hey, bro.
Yeah, I got you, I got
Let me
you.
out. So let's. Damn. No, that guy is good.
Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
I'm getting my shit back.
He's still on the roof.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Oh, bro, you gonna break your ankles jumping back,
Fire
bro.
is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
He's on the roof, bro. He's shooting at you.
Damn, what the fuck? Fuck
Oh,
you.
damn.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Yeah, I need my shit.
Get ready. Resurgence
Okay,
window
we
is
stick
about to
together.
close.
Call your
Squad mate
teammates,
is
bro.
redeployed. Well done. Enemy UAV overhead. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, what the fuck? He's on the roof. On the roof right behind you guys.
Rolling right there.
On station. Good work. You're the last one standing, soldier.
Oh, I seen that sniper flash, bro.
Five squads still operational in the AO.
Damn it.
25 remain. Defeat's only a mindset. Shake it off and keep pushing.
Again or no?
No rebirth.
Oh, bro.
You're right, Lola, actually. Right, Lola. Ne? Ne? Ayağı kadar şık. Kadar şık 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 şık. Fine. Killer taliktildi den zoomla van me. Damn. Hey, what? You guys don't have multiplayer? Anyway, I getting to hear these guys, bro. Oh my god.
I ain't fucking with him. I risked it all for my family, just trying to make them happy. When I was broken, I was bummy, used to laugh at me. But now I'm really out shining, every day I'm grinding. Remember saying that myself, like, where the fuck the time was? I lost my...
Hey. I said bye.
Hey, why is this better, Royal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on now.
Oh, what's this one?
Bro, I thought you
Not a
scared,
real
but
sample,
you're real.
bro. The sample,
Never
bro.
did, dog.
That's why I said the sample, bro.
Sample. Yeah.
Sambo, bro, do you think we're the joins? Or blind?
Shit. You feel me? We sampling it, bro.
Fuckers, you, yo.
It's not forever, bro. We just sampling
Well,
it.
hell yeah. Because they're gonna play the dance for sure. Battle Royale.
I ain't never played the Battle Royale.
What?
just like your stupid
You tripping, bro?
Bro,
No, bro.
Why you never play these?
where we going?
Alright, we're gonna go
I don't
far.
know,
Okay,
bro.
wait. We're going far away, okay? We're going to this one.
Yeah.
And that's where we're going. Blue mark. Hey, who's
yeah,
on the radio?
We're
Oh,
going
that's not
LA,
my
bro.
mark. Damn, bro.
Hey, help out, grab a car and go. Hey.
No, we don't do that.
I do that.
Not to go. My socks.
Yeah, you gonna die now. Hey, where we going though? Damn, you guys gonna get
Where
a
I'm
car?
marked, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Check Cross, it's Check Cross.
Look for a car, bro.
Man, it's AFK. Fuck that, I'm going Gam. Gam, just stay there, fuck that. Yeah, so I don't like Battle Royale lacking, bro. The lacking is always
Nah.
What do you mean, Excuse me, sir.
Damn,
what do you
that was
say now?
forever, bro. This guy's trying to get the cop.
What the hell?
He said, fuck these cars. Look at this cop car, bro.
I was looking for a car.
Could be on the map.
Hey, stop. Hey, yo.
Squad mate redeploying to the AO.
Oh, what? He won.
Damn. One shot. This Cam, bro. Hey, Cam, let's go play sniper, bro. You have multiplayer?
He did nah, not me, bro.
You don't have?
No.
What? That's why these little kids own this shit, bro. You guys didn't buy the original game, man. These little kids buy. They make money out of little kids, so they. Okay, you cannot cost. Fuck that, bitch. Why am I lacking so bad, like a motherfucker? Like, let me put my shit to 100. I don't know, I'm lagging bad. I think because of Tito,
Hey,
bro.
Cam,
You're
you
using
lagging.
hotspot, bro. Stop using that bullshit,
Nah.
Tito. Some bullshit ass
Nah,
move,
bro.
man.
Fix your shit, bro.
No, it's okay now. I just changed my
This nigga
FF
rather fucking
point of
sip
view,
on a bottle than
BFF.
fucking fixing his Wi-Fi, bro. Hey, bro.
I just fixed my BF. Shh. Up.
Hey, let me know who else. Hey, you lagging?
No.
Yup.
I'm still lagging badly.
My SMG.
Hey, what is this, bro? No.
What is that?
I
Who did that,
don't know. That's Tito, bro.
I killed him. Ready? I killed her.
Who's doing that shit, bro?
Hey, what the fuck is that? Is that ambush?
I see you. Are you ready?
No.
Let's go. I'm not
The A boost.
Are you ready? Yeah. Then what are you gonna do?
What the fuck is the enemy?
Yeah.
Somewhere, bro.
Yeah. Hey, this Battle Royale, chill. When the map is getting closer, everybody gonna meet each other.
Oh yeah, yeah.
She did it.
Let's just lay here and wait, bro.
She did it.
Yeah, everybody don't wanna die. That's all it is.
You saw her dead?
Everybody wanna wait it out.
I killed her. I didn't.
Hey, we got freaking drone. Let me send this drone. Anybody got C4?
Ready, set, go, guys.
Ammo crate?
What's up?
Oh, I got ammo crate right here. I got C4. Come. You know,
What is sniper, bro?
Hey,
put it on my drone. The C4. And when I find the people.
I got a fucking. I got something over there.
Alright, I'm gonna try. Why you throw it? You gotta wait for the drone.
Nigga, you didn't say shit, bro.
Try. Push. You got more?
Put C4 or something on that, bitch.
Don't pop that. We moving.
Not for there.
What the hell, bro? Hey, one people right here. Old squad. Hey, old squad here. All in the building. I only got 3 visual. Yeah, there's only 3.
Why did you break the glass?
You know, there's 4
so I
now.
can see.
They can hear that
Oh, right
shit.
there. Don't fucking flying. 1, 2, 3.
Hey,
they're
remember,
here.
Hey. Oh.
They're on top here.
Sorry, where are they?
That's another queen they're fighting, bro.
Yeah.
There we go. Action. Come on out then.
Let them kill each other.
Yeah.
Bro, you gonna strike the wrong spot, bro. They're over here, bro.
Who did that?
So waste, bro.
They come on the road. I think they're on the road.
Hey, man. This guy gotta do a fucking some type of test, bro.
Sorry, man. I'm liking it.
Down the roof.
For real, sniper or what?
Oh, what? Oh,
Hey, I'm gonna go get my loadout, bro.
Right there.
I ain't playing too much.
Not on
I'm
jump.
gonna get my
No, I'm getting my loadout.
Fuck this.
They're on top this one.
don't go in him. Okay, don't go in him. Traffic come. Oh,
Sniper watching you, watch out.
Bruh.
Oh, Jacob.
Yeah.
Go to boy.
See?
Go out.
Tayo lang.
So where are you?
They're on the roof looking down.
That's okay.
Are you sure?
Yep, I broke one. They jumped down.
Here I come.
Tayo, here. I left.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Alala.
They cry.
We have the power. Yeah, we have the power.
The enemy soldiers are tracking you. You lost them.
Yeah, Tayo sana yan, Unia.
He's broken.
Will you?
Sana yan, Unia.
We have the
They're
power.
on the roof on the other building, bro.
Oh, shooting them.
You know?
Yeah, they're over there now. Yo, man.
Shoot them!
What's that sniper?
What? Hey, somebody's here.
Shoot them!
They're jumping over there.
Shoot them! Shoot them! Arnold! Wow.
Hey, it's on the zip line. Beat me up, beat me up.
Go, boy.
Hey, boy, I'm cover.
Go.
It's so easy to
Cover.
right? This way,
Yeah.
right? Oh, stop.
It's here.
Oh, son, oh, teeth.
Stop.
Fuck.
It's not your first right?
Oh,
Oh my god, I killed one.
Where's he coming?
man. He's in the cat.
Wait. Wait.
Oh, I'm challenging so much.
Ooh, that's pretty hard.
Horizon, don't get another one.
God damn.
Fuck! Alright, I'm gonna take a break, yo. I'm gonna go smoke more, get fucked up, and then play more. I will dog. Retirement ready. Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm a friend.
Okay.
Get up. Oh, you butchers.
So you go to school?